Unleash the power of AI automation by connecting Zapier with Claude and watch your workflows transform. First, head over to Zapier.com and log into your account. If you don't have one, sign up for free €1. It only takes a minute. Once you're in, click on the Create Zap button. This will kick off the process of building your automated workflow. Now, you need to choose a trigger app, which is the app that will kick off your Zap. Think of it as the starting point of your automation. You can search for thousands of apps to use as your trigger. Select your trigger app and follow the prompts to connect your account. This usually involves logging into your account within Zapier and granting Zapier permission to access the necessary data. Next up is the crucial step: selecting Claude as your action app. In the search bar, type in Claude. Select the Claude app now. You'll need to connect your Claude account to Zapier. This might require an API key, which you can find in your Claude settings or account dashboard. Paste your API key into the designated field in Zapier and authorize the connection. This allows Zapier to communicate with Claude on your behalf. Now, configure the action step. This involves specifying what you want Claude to do. You'll typically need to provide a prompt specifying the task you want Claude to perform. Finally, test your Zap to make sure everything is working correctly. If it is, give your Zap a name and turn it on. Congratulations! You've successfully connected Zapier with Claude. Now you can automate amazing workflows with AI.